market opinion that we heard earlier in the day. Harsha Upadhyaya, the CIO Equity at Kotak Mutual Fund, expects further inflow into equity markets by domestic institutions. And on the sectoral front, he says home building material companies and cement will see better demand going ahead. Listen in.
We are also surprised by the pace of recovery in terms of stock performance. We were not too negative in terms of that impact lasting longer than a few months. Mutual funds have been getting consistent inflows into equity funds, and that is also getting invested at various levels, I should say. Home building materials will definitely start to see revival in demand, in our opinion. Maybe it will take a couple of more weeks, couple of more months, but definitely those which are helping home construction will definitely come back in terms of demand. We have already seen cement numbers being quite strong in some regions. On IT, the business conditions have been really challenging. At the same time, we also have concerns on the US policy in terms of what they will do on outsourcing, what will be the increase in costs, etc. So clearly the headwinds are really in front of us, and there is no need to be really overweight on the sector until some of these conditions improve. I think the focus is required even on the domestic flows. If you look at the flows that have been there on the domestic side, for example, in November and December put together, the domestic mutual funds have got about 20,000 crores. Irrespective of what happens on the FII side, I think there is a healthy and consistent flows that we are seeing on the domestic side, thanks to SIP numbers which are touching almost 4,000 crores a month now. There is consistent buying from EPFO and other pension trusts. So all in all, about 5,000 to 6,000 crore one-way flow is happening every month into the market by domestic mutual funds.
Okay, well, let's discuss some more names apart from Adani.